Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y61. In this video I'll show you how to manage HUAWEI wallet. In the beginning, let's enter HUAWEI wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can manage your cards, add loyalty card, gift card and coupons. Also you can add tickets. And if you go to menu, you can check your HUAWEI points, settings, change payment PIN and payment verification method. In more settings you can manage notifications. Then you can check for updates, check about the app and access your HUAWEI ID. In HUAWEI ID, you can manage your personal info, account security, payment and purchases, cloud, find device, privacy center, help and settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.